how to fix scan issues in HP Envy 4520 all-in-one series printer. Open any of a web browser in your device like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox, and in address bar you just need to type the website support.hp.com and press the enter key. After that you will find this website. You just need to scroll down and here you will find a section to identify your product for manuals and specific product information. So in this box you just need to type the printer series name or printer model name. As you can see, I have typed the printer model name HP NV4520, and in the search result I'm getting the exact match with this result. So I can click here, otherwise you can click on submit button. After clicking, this page will open where you can see printer model name and its image, so that you can identify that you are going to download drivers or set up software for the right printer only. Now scroll down and you will find here software, drivers and firmware. Just click on it. After that, this page will open where you can see all drivers for this printer. So there are various drivers available for this printer for various operations. So because we are going to fix scan issues in our printer, so we'll select this one, which is diagnostic tool fixes installation driver issues. After clicking on plus icon, you will find its name HP Print and Scan Doctor for Windows. So you can click on this icon and you will find the description and the complete detail about this driver. So now we are going to download it. So click on download. After clicking on download will start here and you can see its name will appear to you, hppsdr.exe. After download, you need to open it by clicking on this arrow icon. So you will find two options here after download, like open and show in folder. So you can click on open. If you want to see in your file manager, you can click on show in your folder. So I'm going to click on open. After clicking on open, it will extracted and it will ask your permission to make changes in your device. So you can click on yes. So now HP Print and Scan Doctor software is launched, and here you can see it will fix issue in only two steps. First, you need to choose your product, for example your printer, and in second step it will find and fix all issues in your printer automatically. So you need to click on start, but before that make sure your printer and your PC should be connected in same wireless or Wi-Fi network, so that the software could identify your printer and fix the issues. So I'm going to click on start. Now it is searching for the printers available in the same network, but there is no any printer available in my network. That's why I'm getting this message here. If any printer is available in your network, then it will display you here and you can follow on-screen instructions to fix your printer issues. I have already covered this topic in another video, that how to fix scan issues in depth. So you can watch that video for the complete process. I'll provide link in this video card in the right side. Otherwise you can find it in this video description. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you want any further help, you can call us on the given number in this video description. Otherwise click on the support link.